too long strap, a lot hanging over. The scary part about a strap, if y'all don't know, it can go underneath the trailer tire.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, it rips it off the trailer. So it's very important that you keep your straps tucked away. Drone's secret, start rolling it up like a Tootsie Roll.
That's not how a Tootsie Roll gets rolled.
Well, how does a Tootsie Roll get rolled? Tell me. All right, so you did this. See this, guys? Here's where the magic happens. Take this guy here, shove it through the hole, like so. You got your loop. Now, well, guess what? Go back over, like this. And it's tight. See that? Now, if it were to came loose, it's just going to dangle. It's not going to go underneath your trailer tires, and it won't rip it off the trailer. Take this, wrap it over. You can make that as tight as you want. Like this one's super tight.
You messed up on that one. This one you got a lot shorter.
No, I did this on purpose. It was just a video. But you can do that so you have room to wiggle. Or like I said, now to undo it, you just peel it open, tighten it up, or do whatever you want to do. Get it as tight as you want. Feed it through, like so. And get it as tight as you want. Work it over and pull it. And it'll stay just like that. Yeah.
Yeehaw! Stick your head out there and go slow. You got this. When you get up top, hit the brakes when you get up there.